So I'm here in Bridgewater in front of the bowling alley, Bowlmore Lanes. There used to be a set of wooden stairs here that would take you upstairs to the IGA. It's now a no frills, and it was like the 80s and 90s the stairs were here, but they were wooden, so they rotted and had to be removed. New metal stairs to take you up to what's now no frills. When I was talking about it online, there was actually some excitement about these stairs, so let's try them out. The No Frills is also getting a reno. Let's go back down. The bowling alley actually shared on their Facebook page about these stairs. So I should ask them what they think. So unfortunately the bowling alley is open, but the owners aren't in, and they like to do all the social media camera stuff. So you guys shouldn't have been on vacation, you should have been here, you could have been in my video. Oh well. When you get back, I'll come in and see you. We'll do some bowling. All right, catch you on the next one.